We are practicing movements using our toes and our heels today. When we practice these moves, I want you to try going slow and try each of the steps that I've given you this week, counting to 8. Try going a little bit faster so you practice your double time, practice triple time, and if you can, even try quadruple time. The goal in this is to make your sounds as even as possible so that way you're executing more sounds within that count. I will see you tomorrow as we work on our sound levels. I will see you then.